Welcome to a MainelyDIY.com video. So I have a little round ornament here that I'm going to use for my project today. And I'm going to take a Sharpie pen. Probably a wider one would be advisable here, but this is the one I grabbed. And I'm going to go across there, and then I'm just going to color it all in. Let me see if I can get a wider one. So here I have a little bit bigger Sharpie type pen, and I am just going to color in the top of my ornament with this black. You could use paint, but I find it just as quick and easy to use these magic markers or Sharpies. You want something that's permanent though, so it's not going to rub off on you. It's going to get soaked into the wood pretty fast. I do want to make sure I get all my wood covered here. Okay. And then I'm going to take some glue. I had some here from another project already on my glass plate. So I'm just going to spread that along. I'm going to need more glue than that, so I'm going to go ahead and squirt some directly on the ornament on this one. And I'm using my craft bond glue. Yeah, that looks like a good amount. So now I have that glued up. I'm going to take a piece of scrap quilt batting right here, and I'm just going to place it right on that glue. And you should let that set up a while, but I am going to take a pair of scissors and just trim right around my ornament. Okay, so there I have that, and then I am just going to so I'm going to glue a couple eyeballs on him, and I'm going to test out some noses here. Got a black one, a red one. I like the red, and I'm going to glue that bow on him and call him good. So I'm just going to go ahead and glue those items on. And I'm working on my glass surface as I've done before. So I'm going to put some glue here on this bow, a little bit on these edges here, on these top edges. And I'm going to go ahead and glue that bow on. And take my little pom-pom and glue that on. And then I will glue his eyes on. And then he just needs a little hanger, and I think I'm going to use this striped cording for his hanger. And I'm going to go ahead and tie a knot in that. And I suggest you let him dry before you do this. I'm going to put the folded piece down through my wood hole, or hole in my wood, and then pull it up through. That's how I like to do my hangers. So he's got his hanger all on. Okay. And then I'm going to add one little more touch to my little guy. I'm going to make him a hat brim, and I'm going to say about that long, so I'm just going to trim that off. And I am going to instead of painting my chenille, because I don't want to go over on the ends, I am actually going to put my paint right, or my glue right across the top here. Right on my batting, and then I'll place my chenille stem on top of that. Oops. And push it down just a little bit to hold him down for just a moment or two. And this is what he's going to look like. I'm going to trim off just a hair on this end. It's got a little longer than I'd like. Okay. So we need to let our little snowman dry, and once he's dry we can hang him on our tree.